Hi everyone, in this video we will make a simple application called a degree app. So you know the system of universities. So if your degree is, for example, 90 or higher than 90, your score is A. And also if the degree is greater than 80, it is B. Greater than 70, it is C. Greater than 60, it is D. Greater than 50, it is E. And also if it is under 50, so F, which means fail. So now we will make this application using if statements. So now, for example, degree equal to 77. So as you can see, degree equal to 77. Now, if this degree is greater or equal than 90, and then print, for example, A, this is the score. Also, else if the degree is greater or equal than 80, so print B, and then semicolon. And in the same way, we can repeat this line. So if the degree is greater than 70 and 60 and 50, and then finally else. So now if it is greater or equal than 80, B, greater than 70, so C, greater than 60, so D, greater than 50, so E. And then else or otherwise, which mean if all these condition not satisfy or all these condition is false, and then this mean fail, so F. Now if we check this, just click run. As you can see, degree equal to 77 and then C. Also if the degree, for example, 65, if we click run, as you can see, D. Also if we improve this application, so for example, if the degree is between 90 and 95, A minus, and between 95 and 100, it is A plus. So how we can make this application? We can make it using a nested if statement. So now inside this condition, inside this if, we can use another if. So for example, now if the degree is greater than 94, and then print plus A, and else print minus A, and then semicolon. So in the same way, we can simply just copy these lines. So now to make the coding easier, we can, for example, select this A and then hold command or control and D. As you can see, control D select all the matching word. So now, for example, we want to change this A and this A. So select this A and control D or command D and change it to B, for example. Also this A and this A and change it to C. Also this, change it to D, and finally this, change it to E. We should also change the number here. So if the degree is greater or equal than 80, he will enter inside these braces. So another if or another condition, if the degree is greater than 84, this means A plus. Elsewhere, A minus. So now this should be 74 and 64 and then 54. Now if we click run, you can see a plus D. So for example, if the degree is equal to 50, you can see minus E. Also we can learn another concept. There is a built-in library in this language. So for example, there's a library called math As I said, it is a built-in library. We can just import it. So just type import and then math. As you can see, Dart : math. And this math library contain a lot of built-in function and a lot of things. So one of these things, it contain a random. So this degree, instead of have a specific number, it can be a random value. So just type random and then open the parentheses and then dot. As you can see, there are a lot of built-in function. So for example, we can use next integer, and between these parentheses we can specify the maximum value. So the maximum value here, for example, 100. Okay, so now he will give me a random variable, a random integer variable, because we specify the type integer. Okay, and the maximum limit, the maximum possible value, it is 100. So he will give me an integer value from 0 to 100, but it is random. So now if we click run, as you can see, degree is 38. So F, click run again. As you can see, 42F, click run again, 83 minus B. So this is just a simple application.